Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. 8 యొక్క 15 multiples అండి. సో ఫస్ట్ మల్టిపుల్ 8 1 8, 8 2 16, 8 3 24, so on. 15 into 8 120. Then a is equal to 8. సమ్ కొనుక్కున్నాను 15 మల్టిపుల్స్ అంటే S15 క్వశ్చన్. ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ పార్ట్ ఏంటి, దానికి సూటబుల్ ఫార్ములా తీసుకుంటాం. నౌ d is equal to 16 minus 8, 8. L is equal డైరెక్ట్ రాయొచ్చు, ఎందుకంటే 8 యాడ్ చేసుకున్న మల్టిపుల్స్ కనుక ఆబ్వియస్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ 8. ఓకే, లాస్ట్ నెంబర్ 120. నౌ Sn is equal to n by 2 into when last term is given a plus l. S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 8 plus 120. So that is equal to 15 by 2 into 128. 200, 260, 240. That is equal to 15 into 64. So 15 into 64 is 54 60, 0, 960. 960. Therefore, S15. Sum of first 15 terms is equal to 960. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0, 0 and 50. 0 ki 50 ki మధ్యలో ఉన్నటువంటి odd numbers. It is nothing but sum of the odd numbers up to 50. Sorry, up to 50. So first odd number is 1. Next one 3, 5, 7, so on. 50 means up to 50. In between means, so last odd number is 49. Therefore, a is equal to 1, d is equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. Okay, find the sum. ఇవి మొత్తం ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ వి డోంట్ నో. n అనేది మనకి తెలియదు. అది n కనుక్కున్నాక Sn అనేది మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. బికాస్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది odd numbers between 0 and 50 కనుక్కోవాలి. So a is there, d is there, l is given, last number is 49. Now we can write l is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now l is 49, a is 1, n means we don't know n, d means d is 2. So 49 plus 1 does now 49 minus 1 is equal to 2 into n minus 1, 2n minus 2. This is 48 minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 2n. Now 2n is equal to 50. n is equal to 50 by 2. What is n? N is equal to 25. n is equal to 25. Now we should find out the sum of 25 terms. Because these 25 terms in between 0 and 50. 1 to 49 means 0 and 50. So S25 is equal to n by 2 into a 1 plus l. n by 2 into a plus l formula is called. Yes, already చెప్పాను చాలా సార్లు. n by 2 into a plus l. n అంటే 45, a అంటే 1, l అంటే 49. So that is equal to 25 by 2 into 49 plus 1, 50. 2 1s are 225. 25 అంటే 625. A contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond certain date as follows: 200 rupees for the first day and 250 for the second day and 300 for third day. The penalty for each succeeding day being 50 rupees more than for the preceding day. ముందు రోజు కన్నా ఒక 50 రూపాయలు ఎక్కువ పెనాల్టీ పడుతుంది. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days? So simply n is equal to how many? 30 days. So SN find out చేయండి. SN అంటే S30 is equal to how much? Right. Now దీన్ని మనం సిరీస్ గా రాస్తే అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ రాస్తే 200 250 300 so on. Now our A is equal to 200 and D is equal to 50 and N is equal to 30. N is equal to 30. So using formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now S30 that is equal to n by 2 means 30 by 2, 2 into a means 200 plus n minus 1, 30 minus 1 d is 50. D is 50. So you can simplify it. 2 1 ja 2, 15 ja. So 15 into 2 200s 400 plus 30 minus 1 29 into 50. So మళ్ళీ మరోసారి రిపీట్ చేస్తాను. 400 ని 29 కి యాడ్ చేయకూడదు. ఫస్ట్ we should do multiplication first. Okay. Now 15 into 400 plus 29 into 50, the 14 50. So that is equal to 15 into 400 plus 1450 at 1850. That is equal to 15 into 1850, 27,750 rupees. So this much of amount should be paid by the contractor as a penalty. Okay. So the contractor has to pay 27,750 rupees. So a sum of 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes. 7 cash prizes means n is equal to 7. Each prize is 20 less than its preceding price. ముందు దానికన్నా ఒక 20 రూపాయలు తక్కువ ఇస్తూ వచ్చారట. Find the value of each price. So here S7 is given. Sum of the 7 prizes is 700 rupees. Let the first prize, let the first prize is equal to A. Then what is the series in AP? First prize A means second prize A minus 20, third prize A minus 40, so on. Okay, then what is D? D is equal to A minus 20 minus A. So A cancel this minus 20. We know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2 into a, same 2a plus we don't know n into d is minus 20. So how much S7 is? 700 rupees is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus into minus minus 20n minus into minus plus 20. Sorry, we have n is 7, sir. N is 7, 7 minus 1, 6 into 20. So n is 7, 7 minus 1, 6 into minus 20. So 7 by 2 అటువైపు పంపిస్తే 700 into 2 by 7 is equal to 2a minus 120. 7 1s are 700. 100 into 2, 100 into 2, 200 is equal to 2a minus 120. So 200 plus 120 is equal to minus 120 is plus 120. 2a. Therefore 2a is equal to 320, whereas a is equal to 320 by 2. A is 160. Therefore a is equal to 160. Now find the value of each price. So first price A, this is first price, this is first price A, and second price 160 minus 20, 140. Third 140 minus 20, 120. Fourth 120 minus 20, 100. Fifth one 100 minus 20, 80. And sixth one 80 minus 20, 60. And seventh price 60 minus 20, 40. These are the price. First price is 160, 140, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh.